this. Alright, go. Oh! No way!
Tell me you got that on video!
He blew the tire! No! Alright, but if you guys can tell, we're out here in the same spot as Bashing. But in today's video, we got the Creighton and the Notorious out with these brand new Method RC. Put the link down below for you guys are interested. But today we're going to be testing them on. Alright, let's send it. These are belted tires too. First time trying these belted tires out on the crane. For sure seems more planted down. Ooh. Oh! Damn, these belted tires are sick. So it was hey, oh my god, that was barely. Oh, how did it not break? There you go. Oh! Well, that tested my wing mount. Okay, so the challenge I just did with the whole kamikaze, I didn't complete it. I had to wheel it out. No, I need to land and then wheel it out. Come on, land. I needed to land good so I could wheel it out. No way! Whoa! Oh! Yeah! Oh, that landed nice! Oh, double! Oh, no way! I gotta slow that down. Oh, and there it goes. Damn, you saw that arm flex? I landed with the double. Oh, I'll try a triple. Oh my god, I was barely. All right, full throttle, guys. You guys already know. Yes, sir.
That was high. Either I was just down here too low, or that was high.
That was probably the highest one. Oh! How did it not break? Saw it. No, the same part.
Oh, wheel.
Oh, a hub actually.
The chancla came loose.
Look, I ripped that whole hub clean off.
Oh, damn.
I heard that crack. Look, clean off. That's crazy.
Same thing is like I've had customers already come in and they just like put her over a shell and just